second water body. There are cheetahs out here. I don't want to disturb them much, but I want to just take the video of the lake. I'm not going to inside because of the cheetahs out here. This is the second lake, second water body. Raikheda camp. This is the hand pump where the borewell was done and where the system was previously put in, which is not working now. So hi, we are at Raikheda camp in East Pachmani range, Satpura Tiger Reserve. So we have seen here that there is a beautiful grassland out here. यहाँ पे रायखेड़ा गांव होता होगा. This village was moved out and it made a very beautiful grassland out here. There is a very important chowki out here in Raikheda beat. Plus there are 4 big huge water bodies out here which completely dry up or they almost dry up during the summers, and because of that the animals from this grassland they move towards the river out here, which is around a kilometer away, and they cross and go towards the villages out there, the other side of the river, and then the herbivorous also moves and then the carnivorous also moves, and then there are chances of conflicts happening in the village out there. So what I'm proposing here is previously there was a solar system which is not working now. They have panels here and they have 2 different very good borewells out here. So what I'm proposing here is that we use those panels which were equivalent to 3 HP into 2 systems of 1.5 HP each for the 2 different borewells. One system gives water to the camp and the 2 water bodies, and the other system give water to the 2 huge water bodies, and which way all the 4 water bodies will be filled up in summers. The good part about here is that they have used the system and the system used to run all day, so the water does not break in the borewells out here, so which is a good thing. Apart from that, there is one small issue out here that this camp does not have electricity right now because of their inverter not functioning. So we will look into just giving them an inverter for them, also a 1 kilowatt inverter, and make this area completely livable for the camp people and for the animals out here as well.
मैं सुबंधु शुक्ला, वन रक्षक बीट गार्ड रायखेड़ा। पानी की ये समस्या है सर कि मतलब हम लोगों को बाथरूम में भी पानी जो है यहाँ से वहाँ लेके जाना पड़ता है, और जब लेबर लोग आते हैं तो उस समय पानी की बहुत ज़्यादा किल्लत बढ़ जाती है। तो उसके लिए सर हमें टंकी मिल जाए तो सबसे बेस्ट काम रहे सर, और अंदर थोड़े नल की व्यवस्था हो जाए, क्योंकि पानी की
आप ये बताएं कि गर्मी के सीजन में यहाँ पे कितनी लेबर आती है रहने आते हैं?
सर 100-150 हाँ 100-150 लेबर हो जाती है फायर सीजन के टाइम पे सर, और ग्रासलैंड मैनेजमेंट के काम के समय।
तो उस समय जब आप लोग ये करते हैं तो बाहर तो टॉयलेट जाना सेफ है यहाँ पे?
नहीं सर, सेफ नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ लेपर्ड का मूवमेंट है, टाइगर का मूवमेंट है, हिंसक जानवरों का मूवमेंट है, तो इसके कारण बाहर जाना संभव नहीं रह पाता।
तो ये तो बड़ी मुश्किल है। कितने टॉयलेट्स हैं आपके पास यहाँ पे?
हमारे पास 2 टॉयलेट है, श्रमिकों के लिए है एक और एक हम लोगों के लिए।
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि इनके यहाँ पे अगर श्रमिकों के लिए और आपके टॉयलेट्स के लिए अगर एक टंकी की व्यवस्था हो जाए
जी सर,
और उनको नल मिल जाए तो
हाँ,
यूटिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी, वो आराम से यहाँ पे नहाना धोना कर पाएंगे, तो
जी सर,
बाहर उनकी सेफ्टी भी बढ़ जाएगी।
हाँ सर, सेफ्टी बढ़ जाएगी।
दूसरी बात है बताएं तो फायर सीजन में अपन अगर ये जो 2 सिस्टम लगा रहे हैं तो इससे आपको फायर सीजन के टाइम पे प्लस ग्रासलैंड मैनेजमेंट के टाइम पे जो पानी की आवश्यकता रहती है कंट्रोल फायरिंग करने के लिए, बर्निंग करने के लिए, तो वो पानी आपको यहीं से मुहैया हो जाएगा, तो आपके लिए आसानी रहेगी।
आसानी रहेगी सर।
ठीक है, चलिए धन्यवाद। This is the camp we are talking. They don't have any electricity inside. So during fire season, these people stay here. There is this was an old school when the village was relocated. So the rooms out here we see. So if we give the electricity here, it will become livable as well for the people out here and safe as well. The same panels will be used for electricity. The only inverter is needed, plus we can do a little wiring for them out here so that this also place becomes livable. When the fire season, they have more than 100 people staying here in this place. Second water body. There are cheetahs out here. I don't want to disturb them much, but I want to just take the video of the lake. I'm not going to inside because of the cheetahs out here. This is the second lake. So this is the fourth water body at Raikheda. So what we are planning is that water body 1 and 4 we'll connect by one system, 2 and 3 and the Chowki will connect by one system. Plus one thing I really wanted to add here, that 10 kilometers away from here right now there is a Barasingha Bada here. There are around 30 Barasinghas out there and they are multiplying, they are breeding there. So I feel this grassland is the perfect habitat for Barasinghas to live. So in future, what I'm seeing is that when the Barasinghas grow, this is the perfect place where the Barasinghas will be released in this area, because this is the perfect habitat for Barasinghas. An open, lush, very very huge grassland with 4 big lakes out here and water for them, and also the visibility is there for their safety, so they would not leave this area in summers also, and they will stay here and multiply here in this area. That's what I feel. Thank you.